Hey guys, JackSquare here, and today I've got a quick unboxing video for you guys. This is a box of corncob pipes from Missouri Meerschaum. So what I ended up picking up was their 7-day set of Smokeable seconds. Those are pipes that might have some cosmetic things with them, but they still work. And so they box them all together in a set of 7, and you can purchase them at a discounted rate. And I also have one Missouri Pride in here. I wanted to pick up that one so that I had one that I knew what it was going to be, because with the Smokeable seconds, it's a random grab bag, if you will. So let's go ahead and get into this guy and see what we've got. I mean, I could probably just rip that, but you know, let's use the scissors again, and let's see what we have in here. Okay, so this is looking pretty cool already. So just details on the order. We'll set that to the side over there. And okay, so first off, this is the Missouri Pride. That's very cool. You know, a lot of pipe smokers recommend that if you're getting into pipes, that the cobs are the way to go. So I said, okay, well, let me get some, because I do have a couple briars, but yeah, this is pretty cool looking. So okay, so let's set that guy to the side and let's take a look at this here. So here is this grab bag. Let's get rid of this box here. Okay, so as you can see, 7-day set of Smokeable seconds. Let's go ahead and get these guys out now. If any of you are familiar with these pipes, you might have an idea of what these are. I'm gonna have to look them up. So I'll probably cut to some B-roll here in a second, but let's just go ahead and get these out. Ooh, this is looking kind of cool already. So, you can see it's a little difference there in the finish on these guys. So I'll set that to the side over here. So there's one. What else do we have in here? That's pretty cool looking. You know, you can see they put the little X on here to say, okay, yeah, that's got something going with, like a little chipping right there. I suppose that would be the issue with that guy, but so far those look pretty cool. Let's see here. Oh, that's neat. I think I was looking at one like this. But they have, what is this guy here? That's very cool. You know, so far all these are straight and this one's bent. Very cool, a little bit of a bigger bowl. Well, maybe not much actually looking at it, but that's still pretty cool. And then these 3 guys here all look about the same. I could be wrong, but these all three of these here look about the same there. Almost like well, it's not just that part. It's also going in at an angle there, so that's cool. That's very cool. So, yeah, these guys here. So what we'll do is take a moment for me to look these up, find out what's what. Again, some of you guys might already know, but we'll find out what's what, and then be right back. All right, guys, well, definitely a very cool lineup of pipes to kind of get my collection going here and start off in the world of corncob pipes and kind of see what's out there. So if you're looking for one, I definitely recommend that you check out Missouri Meerschaum. It seems to be the place to get corncob pipes, seems to be the place. I will have some reviews coming up soon after I have a chance to kind of check these guys out in further detail. If you want to make sure that you catch those videos, those reviews as they're coming out, then don't forget to subscribe. If you have any of these in this lineup here, or you have some corncob pipes or just pipes in general, I'd love to hear about what you have in your collection, so let me know in the comments. Thanks a bunch for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.